Welcome to your MONEYfied channel, the place where people come to get inspired, so if you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. So, let's take a look at this concept yacht, and the main feature of this 150-foot catamaran yacht is the active suspension, which has a stroke of 16 feet and will ensure comfort even in rough seas. The electronic systems on board evaluate the environment in real time and adjust the suspension so that the deck remains in the horizontal position. Several versions of the yacht are already available, one of which can accommodate 10 guests. And here is the chopper you've always desired. The project's creators are confident that it is a fantastic choice for individual purchasers, combining the finest style and the most recent technical solutions. Excellent specs: a 500 powerful engine, a 162 miles per hour speed limit, the 808 mult range, and there can fit 5 persons. The aircraft was created by the British Business Helicopters on the Hill, and the head of company HX50, according to Jason Hill, is the first spotless helicopter in years. It is one of the causes of it becoming cheaper than comparable cars currently. The business is accepting initial deliveries from pre-orders planned for 2023. And now we are currently in Germany. The Mercedes-Benz team there is establishing new benchmarks for electric vehicle range and economy. Thanks to advanced aerodynamics, the Vision X concept car can drive more than 621 miles on a single charge. For instance, a typical passenger car has a drag coefficient of roughly 0.3, but this car's is just 0.17. The inside trim is composed of bamboo, vegan silk, and materials manufactured from mushrooms and cactus. The engineers also kept up with current design trends and tried to make everything as ecologically friendly as possible. Additionally, there is a solar panel, which under perfect circumstances will improve the range by 16 miles per day. And let's examine this invention by Chinese engineers. They create these small, twisted and rolled screens. The production cost has decreased by about 20%, bringing us closer to the widespread use of these products. According to the manufacturers, the market potential is enormous, and by 2025 the market for smartphones with flexible displays will be 80% more profitable. The 17-inch OLED screen is only 0.08 inches thick, and there is also a tiny AMOLED screen that measures 6.7 inches and expands to 7.8 inches with a single tap. Let's hear from German engineers, or more specifically from Rhine Metal, a company that frequently appears in our videos. They introduced the concept of the most recent KF-51 Panther Tank. At this time, the vehicle's precise specifications are unknown, and the model displayed at the Eurosatory is more of a technology showcase, but the company did disclose some details. The crew will be able to direct Hero 120 kamikaze drones with a range of around 25 miles from the tank's smoothball cannon, which is 5 inches long and has a 7.62mm machine gun. The model is made to meet the ENGVA architecture, which entails connecting all of the tank systems to a digital network that is accessible to the whole crew. The tank weighs around 130,000 pounds. Another French product. Don't jump to any judgments, since this time, produced by Renault, there are some unusual design solutions hidden under its simple exterior. The idea, which debuted in 2002, shocked us with its unconventional doors, translucent canopy that made the interior appear larger, and foldable chairs that converted the interior into a lounge area. There is no cushion between the front and back doors, which open in opposite directions. As you can see, not all concept vehicles need to be fast, trimmed, and equipped with strong engines because the average customer wouldn't purchase one. Instead, the Renault Clio was utilized as the basis, and certain design cues were influenced by the Renault Megane. The flying hotel that never lands is precisely what you're seeing on your screen. 20 engines, up to 5,000 people, and the ability to dock with conventional airplanes are just a few of the characteristics of the Sky. To put it simply, the cruise project concept stands out for total autonomous control. Visitors will be able to enjoy swimming pools, a shopping mall, theaters, gyms, and other facilities, but internet users are suspicious. If physics and aerodynamics didn't exist, this vessel would really be able to take off? So, do you believe that this is how future concepts will appear, or are there more intriguing alternatives?